All right, everyone. Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my full review of the new C 3-pack of tempered glass screen protectors for the iPhone 15 Plus. Well, theoretically, any modern iPhone after the iPhone 11, new C has tempered glass screen protectors for. So, in particular, they have screen protectors for the iPhone 11 or newer, all the way up to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. But the ones that I purchased were for the iPhone 15 Plus. Okay? And the one that I purchased was the 3-pack of tempered glass screen protectors. But as long as you have any one of those devices, you should be able to get screen protectors from this company. So this is my full review of the new C triple pack tempered glass screen protectors for the iPhone 15 Plus. All right. Now, the first thing I want to talk about with everyone is the overall fit and feel of the tempered glass screen protector. Now, y'all can see it's kind of hard to see because I have the black iPhone, but in terms of the fit, this fits almost perfectly. Now, it's not quite edge to edge, but it's damn close. And I got pretty much a perfect fit on my iPhone right here. And in terms of the overall feel, guys and gals, this pretty much feels as though I don't have a screen protector on my device. So it's pretty much like I'm using my regular phone without a screen protector on it, but I have that peace of mind because I do know that I have a screen protector on it. As a matter of fact, the only giveaway that I can tell that I do have a screen protector on is because I did get some lint underneath the screen during my installation. I got some lint right there, and I got some lint right there, and I got some lint right there. But if it wasn't for that, like when I turn on the display, it looks like I'm just using my phone without a screen protector on it. So the overall fit and feel of the new C tempered glass screen protectors, in my opinion, is top notch. Okay, top notch indeed. Up next, let's talk about the installation and the ease of installation or lack thereof. This is the next category that I want to talk about. So, in terms of the installation, this is the one area where I feel NewC can improve because they provided almost everything, but they did not provide a guided installation tray. And for someone with dexterity issues and a really bad physical disability, having that assisted installation tray is kind of a must. So my actual first installation was pretty messed up, and I'm actually using my second tempered glass screen protector out of the 3-pack. So now I only really have one extra tempered glass screen protector if something happens to this one. So, in terms of the installation, it wasn't bad, but I do feel as though it could be improved because they really need to have that screen protector installation assistant tool or that little tray that clips onto your device, and then you just line up the screen protector and drop it on. Or even further still, if they could have had one of those easy installations where everything already comes together and you just clip it onto your device and then you like rub the line up and down and you pull out the little tab and then everything installs pretty much automatically. That could have made the installation basically top notch and super easy. But with the lack of that installation tool, the installation process, well, at least for me, was extremely difficult. So this is one area where I feel NewC needs to improve. Okay. Up next now, let's dive on or move on and talk about some other important categories. And the next thing I want to talk about is overall case compatibility. Now, I only have one case for the iPhone 15 Plus as of the recording of this video, but I have a bunch of other cases lined up to come in for the iPhone 15 Plus. But this is a screen protector that is marketed as being extremely uh, case friendly, and y'all can see it pretty much works perfectly with this case that I picked up for the iPhone 15 Plus. So, in regards to case friendliness, this is another area where New C have done a top notch job. Now, unfortunately, I do have some other screen protectors and cases coming in. So this is going to probably be the last time that I test this with a case, but it did work perfectly with the one case that I tested it with. But keep in mind, this is just one case. Your guys and gals results may vary. And keep in mind, it is case friendly because it's not edge to edge, but it does not offer full protection because it's not edge to edge. Okay, so keep that in mind. But in regards to the overall case compatibility and my experience so far, it has been top notch with the New C tempered glass screen protectors. Okay, top notch indeed. Now, moving on now, I want to briefly summarize the positives and the negatives of this screen protector, and then I'm going to talk about the overall current pricing and availability and share my final thoughts and make an overall recommendation. And then we're going to wrap this video up. So, if you watch no other parts of this full review, as long as you watch these next two categories, you should get a really good overall general idea as to how I feel about this tempered glass screen protector right here. Okay? And as I always say, I am not perfect and I never claim to be. So if you pick up this tempered glass screen protector and you experience a positive that I did not mention, and or you experience a negative that I did not mention, please leave that feedback down below in the comments. Only through providing our feedback can we get overall improvements on the products that we spend our hard-earned money on. And I'll have a full list of my positives and negatives thrown up in the video and post. So if you feel free to pause the video wherever you see the list that you're interested in, and you should be good to go. All right, disclaimer done. Let's get into it now. So starting off here, in terms of the positives, this is going to be basically a rundown of everything that I found really good about the screen protector. So the overall fit and feel of the screen protector is top notch. Okay, the overall case compatibility is top notch, and this particular three pack of tempered glass screen protectors is available for a really great price. Okay, we're going to talk about the price and availability in a little bit here, but that, guys and gals, are pretty much all of the positives that I experienced. Okay, moving on now, let's talk about the negatives. And probably the biggest negative for me was the installation. Okay? Like I said earlier, this would have been so much easier if they had an assisted installation tool or a tray, or even if they had it all together in one piece. Y'all know what I'm talking about, and you just slap it on your device, then you rub it down like this, and you pull the tab out and you rub it back and forth, and it pretty much goes on automatically by itself. That would have made the installation so much easier, and that would have made this product overall top notch because there would have been no negatives. But that is the one negative that I experienced in my time with this three pack of tempered glass screen protectors. Okay? Other than that, honestly, there were no other negatives that I experienced. So that goes over the positives and negatives of this screen protector right here. Now, let's get into talking about the final part of this video. Let's talk pricing. Let's talk overall availability. Let me get into sharing my final thoughts and make an overall recommendation. Now, I picked up this three pack of tempered glass screen protectors with the case, and the phone came separately. So I'll have a screenshot of my digital receipt thrown up in post because I purchased it all together. So I got the case and the three pack of tempered glass screen protectors all together. But talking about the current availability for the screen protectors, as of the recording of this video, which is January 11th, 2025, this three pack of tempered glass screen protectors is available for $5.99. So basically, $6. And if you want to know how much I paid for the grand total, maybe that screenshot went a little too quick, but if you wanted to know how much I paid for the grand total for both of these, right, I paid a grand total of $19.28. Okay? And then if you want to know what the screen protector itself was by itself, let me pull up my invoice here. So the screen protector by itself was $5.89 plus tax. The taxes were $1.32. Okay? All right. So basically, this came up to roughly what is it? 5.99 plus $1.32. So this basically came up to $6.32 for the tempered glass screen protector. Okay, or if you want to talk about it in total, case and screen protector, it was $19.28. Okay. So that was the grand total that I paid for these. All right. Now, moving on, however, if you want to get just the screen protector by itself, not including the taxes, again, that would be $5.99 or just $6 to make it easy. And at that price, can I recommend that you guys and gals go out there and pick up a tempered glass screen protector from New C for your iOS device, whether you have an iPhone 11 or newer? Well, I'm going to have to say yes. Did I have the best experience with this product? No. But overall, I feel the positives of this product vastly outweigh the negatives. All they really have to improve is the installation process, and this would be a guaranteed recommendation from me. But with that being said, even though I didn't have the best time on overall, I can still recommend y'all pick up this tempered glass screen protector for your iOS device. Okay? And even though I'm going to be moving on to other tempered glass screen protectors, I'm still going to keep this screen protector as a backup in case any of those other screen protectors break. So I will still have this as a backup, and I will still have no problems purchasing this again if I need more tempered glass screen protectors. But what I might do is I might keep my assisted tray that I'm going to get from the other screen protectors that I review in case I want to use it with this screen protector if I need to use it in the future. But with that being said, can I recommend y'all pick up this tempered glass screen protector for your iOS device? I'm going to have to say yes. Yes, indeed. All right, everyone. That does it for today's video. I hope you guys and gals found this video helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when new videos go live on the channel. That being said, if you would like to know where you can pick up these tempered glass screen protectors for your iOS device or any and everything featured in today's video at a really great price and help support the channel as well, all the links as to where y'all can pick up this screen protector as well as everything else featured in the video here today will be linked up down below in the video description. And as the name implies, down below in the video description will contain affiliate buy links. And if you make your purchase using those affiliate buy links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate buy links a win-win for everyone, in my opinion, and that makes the video description a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Also, I will link up all of my other extended coverage on the iPhone 15 Plus and its accessories that I have on the channel down below as well. So truly, the video description will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. All right, today's video was recorded using the primary rear-facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. Today's video was recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS with the Bluetooth audio hooked up. I am using the Bluetooth microphones from the Audio Technica M20X truly wireless Bluetooth headphones to record the audio for this video. So please let me know how you guys and gals feel about the overall audio. Please let me know how you guys and gals feel about the overall video quality. I am using my professional studio lights here today as well. So all the feedback that you guys and gals provide is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep it respectful, please. All right, everyone. Y'all stay tuned because I have more videos coming soon, and I actually have more cases coming for the iPhone 15 Plus. So I will have the full review for the case, the first case that I got for the iPhone 15 Plus coming out soon. I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.